Since the beginning of time, humans have been fascinated by understanding how the world functions and created technologies to make life easier. Today, we are surrounded by technology, from smartphones to 3D printers to artificial intelligence. However, our primary focus will be on immersive technology, and more specifically, on virtual reality or VR for shorts. So what is immersive technology? Immersive technologies generate unique experiences by merging the physical world with a digital or simulated reality. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are two principal types of immersive technologies. For now, we will dig deeper and understand immersive technology in virtual reality. Virtual reality is a 100% 3D environment or a simulated environment formulated from a combination of software and compatible hardware, allowing the users to interact with a virtual world in a seemingly natural and realistic way. In a traditional user interface, we experience a video game through a screen. However, virtual reality places us inside an experience by creating or extending reality in a digital environment. In other words, a virtual reality experience is generated by a computer or captured by video by excluding our natural surroundings.
And how do we experience virtual reality? Well, we experience virtual reality with a headset that shuts out the external world and transports us to a virtual one. We can also experience it in room-sized systems that use special projectors and glasses to create virtual experiences. VR is most commonly used in gaming and entertainment. Now, it is extended to other industries such as the military, travel, and education, to name a few. To create a virtual reality experience, several steps, including software and hardware, are needed to create a perfect VR user experience. First, software developers design and execute a virtual world where they interact with the objects. Second, the hardware or the headsets provides us with the illusion of being completely immersed in a 3D environment. These 3D objects tend to respond to changes in the user's movement, and the interactions mimic those in the real world. Special additional hardware components such as gloves or other accessories around the room can also stimulate other senses, such as touch. We can experience virtual reality, VR, either via an application or website, WebVR. We download an app from the App Store, such as the Oculus Store or Google Play, and run it in a VR headset specific to that app. WebVR is still in early development, but it enables users to access virtual reality, VR, through a browser, just like a web page. WebVR makes it easier for anyone to create, enjoy, and share VR experiences.
Now, let us discover the key virtual reality players. For software development, Unity and Unreal Engine are the most commonly known. For hardware or headsets, Facebook's Oculus leads the market, followed by the Sony PlayStation VR console and HTC's Vive. We do, however, have a new contender, the Valve Index. The most hyped one due to its controller, but it is the priciest VR headset. Apple is the latest company to jump on the trend by acquiring NextVR, a virtual reality events company, followed by Spaces. Spaces is a VR startup that creates themed virtual reality environments. Currently, North American firms are focused on developing VR hardware, while Asian firms are investing in VR software development.
We know that as of 2020, VR startups witnessed or experienced an increase of 26% from 2018. Also, the number of investors is around 1,000. Thus, these startups are getting their much-needed funding to develop their projects. Nearly every industry in the market is or can benefit from advances in VR. Without a doubt, VR is becoming a transformative technology.